Hey everyone, today we will be solving LeetCode 34. Find first and last position of element in sorted array, and I will walk you through the binary search, try, run step by step. The problem states we need to find the first and the last index of a target in a sorted array. For example, this is an array nums, and we are given the target 8. Let's try run it. Left equals 0 and right equals 5. To find the mid, we have to do left plus right divided by 2, which gives us 2. This is the index of the mid. The element at which this is 7. So 7 is less than 8, meaning we have to move the left pointer to the mid plus 1. So the mid element index is 2, so we have to move the left to 3. As you can see, we did that. Now again we have to find the mid element. Now we have left as 3 and right as 5. So finding the mid element is left plus right divided by 2. Hence we are getting the mid index as 4. And here we can see that the mid element is 8. We found that it is equals to target, then we can make the result array index 0 as 4, because we are storing the target index, but we keep searching to the left side of this, and hence we have to update the pointer right to mid minus 1. So mid is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, so we get this array. Now we have to again find the mid element. So mid is left plus right divided by 2. We get the mid element as 3, which is 8. Hence we got the target. Again we have to update the result index at which we had already 4. We have to update that to the 3, and here the loops ends. So in the result array, now we have to update this to 3. Now let's just see for the next binary loop. We have to first reset the left as 0 and right as 5 for this example, which is nums.length minus 1. And here again we have to find the mid element, which is left plus right divided by 2. We get the index as 2. So at the index 2 we got the element 7, which is less than 8. Hence we have to move the pointer to mid plus 1, which is 3. 2 plus 1, which is 3. Again here we have to find the mid element. Here we got the mid element as 4, so we are updating that mid index as 4, and we are updating the rest of 1 as 4, which is result. This is the final array which we are giving in the return statement. But now we have to search the right, meaning we have to update the left to mid plus 1, right? Here we did we kept searching to the left side, and here we are searching towards the right side. Now when we updated the left as 5 and right as 5, again we did find the middle element, which is middle index, which is 5, and at the index 5 we have the element 10, which is greater than target, and hence the loop ends, and we are finally updating the result, and hence we got the final answer. Let's see the code for this. This is the code. First we are initializing the result as minus 1 and minus 1. Then we are taking left equals 0 and right equals nums1 dot length minus 1. We are using a while loop here and finding the mid element. If it is equals to target, we are updating the result array. At index 0 we are keeping it mid, and on the right, and we are now moving to the right side, I mean the left side. We are searching to the left, searching the left side. And if the target is less than nums, we are doing right equals mid minus 1, and if it is if the target is greater, we are doing left is equals to mid plus 1. Similarly, we are doing it again, but here we are searching on the right side. Similarly, we are doing target which is less than mid of nums, and else left is equals to mid plus 1, and in the final we are returning the final array. Hope this helps you.